Good afternoon everyone, today we're looking at another Timex Expedition watch. So let's get right on to it, shall we? So we're going to be looking at the Expedition North Edition today. Oh, push some of the buttons. Initial thing to say when I did take one of this video, this is take 520. It's when you're taking that watch out using this cardboard sort of holder, just be very careful not to sort of snap the box or snap this cardboard here, just because it is a bit fiddly to try and get out when you first unbox it. So just be a little bit careful when you are taking it out. Not that your conventional sort of style for holding a watch in place in terms of inside the box, but offers that sustainability image from the Timex point of view there. So this is the Timex Expedition Tide Temp and Compass watch. So we've got a 43 case diameter with a 13mm case thickness, model number TW2V64400. Retails at around about £250, I believe. I think I got it for £250. Let me just give that a quick check for you guys. Sorry, £184, not 280. Waterproof to 100 meters as well. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of stuff going on with the face here. So let's have a look at that face. So the face is like a dotted sort of style finish, not like the usual gloss finish that dials are nowadays. Got a nice date dial there, just sitting down at 6 PM. And obviously got this blue and orange detailing consistent around the watch and old-fashioned loom technology on those increments there. We've got a free functioning chronograph, so we can get the tide of the location that we're in. We get the temperature of the location we're in, and we also get the compass movement. It's like a proprietary Tide Temp compass movement bidirectional centre hand that moves around based on what function you want to use. Built in fully 316 stainless steel and a full sapphire glass going across the top there just to make it a bit more scratch proof. You've also got luminous hands. They are luminous in segments of the hands rather than being fully luminous all the way across those hands. Also inside you can also see the obviously those little dials for each sort of measurement that we want to take. Coming out to the bezel, we've got a compass style bezel that doesn't move in a clicking fashion, but moves in rather than a smooth gliding motion. Very nice start. Coming out to the casing, we've got a full lined casing there. Orange detailing to the right side chronograph buttons and crown, and a blue side to this side to obviously operate that other blue dial there. Let's have a look at the crown movement. That just gives you like a little reset. Got decent movement to the crown when you're moving the hands around. They don't spin round like they're flimsy or anything like that. And that just resets to how we want. The strap, you've got a 22mm lug width with a comfortable eco dry tan leather strap as well, with that nice Timex sort of Expedition North Edition print on that part on the strap there. A single window system with no sort of metal enhancers inside the strap, allowing for stretch when you're wearing it in a tight fit style. The buckle is a lined finish buckle with that Timex print on top as well. I hope if I can actually get the watch out. Simple matte finish. A lot of buckles are chrome finish nowadays. So again, inside here we can see just a bit more evidence of that genuine strap. You can see what I was getting at here. Eco-friendly leather. We've even got easy access clips to be able to remove that strap. And the back plate is like this matte metallic finish, full sapphire crystal, just a little more information about the specs of the watch stamped on the back. A full quartz movement expected as well. So there we go guys, that is the Timex Tide Temp compass.